My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension called NFT Tab. In fact, NFT Tab is a special extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This extension actually operates as a browser hijacker. If it gets installed, it will hijack your default search engine and it will change your new tab settings. So whenever you will be submitting certain search queries, you will be getting the results not by your preferred search engine, but rather by some other search engine not chosen by you initially. Most likely the results would be delivered by Bing or by Yahoo or by some other search engine not chosen by you. Anyway, to remove it, access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So when you find this NFT tab, simply disable and remove this extension. This was the manual solution to get your browser fixed. Now, I also recommend that you research this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.